Okay, so I often get asked what the word scope means in project management. Simple. It means two things. There are two uses of the word. Number one, sometimes it gets used to talk about the product, which is the deliverable, what we're actually trying to produce. And this is product scope. The other use of the word is to refer to the actual project, and this is project scope. Two very different things, and I'll explain them because this caused a lot of confusion. So number one, product scope. This looks at the deliverable. It focuses on the key features, characteristics, concerns, technical functions, and so on. In this case, the product scope is everything that goes into this house. The more I can detail the product scope at this point, the more information I can add, the clearer I'm defining the product scope. And scope is really what's in it and what's out of it. So in this case, the product scope is what's in the product and what's not included. So in this case, I'm being nice, including windows, doors, and so on, but I'm not including a driveway, trees, etc. outside scope. The project scope becomes a function of this product scope. Effectively, we work backwards, and we seek to identify all the work required to yield this output. And this is relative to our starting point. So we're right here at this stage in the project. The scope is, the project scope, is all of this work and only the work required to output this. Not the work required to do this and this, because that's outside. It's only the work required to output the agreed product scope. So, for me, I like to start here and first define the product scope as best as I can, then work backwards and say, okay, what work is required for us to achieve this, the project scope? You'll also hear some other words associated with both. In product scope, often called specifications. Project scope, often called the scope of works. I hope that's really explained the difference between the two terms. Thanks.